Hello everyone. Today I am starting my 30 days English speaking challenge. I am very excited and also a little nervous, but it's okay. I am not perfect in English, but I want to improve myself. I know I will make mistakes, but I will learn from my mistakes. English is very important for my confidence and my future. That is why I am starting this journey today. Every day I will speak a little English and practice more. Slowly, I will become better and more confident. Please support me in this journey. Thank you so much for watching me. See you in day 2. Bye.